Are you obsessed with the size of your pores? You're not alone. As a skin therapist, I see so many people that want poreless skin. And I'm always asked, how do I get rid of my pores or make them look smaller? Well, I have a good and bad news for you. The bad news is that you can't make your pores shrink or disappear completely. They are part of your genetic makeup, so you can blame mum or dad for this. The good news is we can help reduce the appearance of pores by deep cleansing and exfoliating. Pores are the opening of hair follicles. In each pore, there is a spacious gland that produces sebum, your oil, which keeps your skin lubricated. Pores tend to be more noticeable on specific parts of your face, especially on your chin, nose and forehead, and they are typically more noticeable on oily skin types. So what other factors contribute to large pores? When pores are clogged, they may appear larger, and this occurs when there is a buildup of excess dirt, grime, products and dead skin cells. Age is another aspect to be considered. As we get older, our skin loses its firmness and less elasticity, leaving our pores looking larger due to the loss of structure within your skin. Lastly, skin damage caused by the sun. Damage from the sun causes free radicals in our skin to break down collagen and elastin. As a result, the skin may sag and cause your pores to appear larger. So here's a few tips, tricks and product recommendations to help. 1. Deeply and gently clear your pores every day with a cleanser that has AHAs or enzymes in it. 2. Exfoliate regularly. 3. Apply SPF every single day. If you'd like to know more information to help make your pores smaller, at SkinMart we offer over the phone, face-to-face or Zoom skin consults, and we would love to help you reveal your healthiest skin possible. Use the link below to visit the advice page on our website.